to start this video by saying that in my opinion, the stock standard Focus RS exhaust system out of the box sounds amazing. But I figured that one day I might just want to change things, and that I might want to upgrade the exhaust system because a little more obnoxious might be fun. And there are too many options out there. Xforce, Mountune, Cobb, and not only which brand, but catback, turboback, stage 1, stage 2, blah blah blah. So I think ultimately the best way to figure out which exhaust system would be the one that you would like is to use these things. And since I'm part of an awesome Focus RS community on Facebook, where the owners are only too proud to show off their wares, I was able to record different exhaust systems. So if you're wondering what an Xforce sounds like compared to a Cobb, a Scorpion, or a Mountune, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Tuned. I like that. We found a secluded area away from the crowds to make some noise. You get the picture. There was a decibel reader on hand to check that everyone was within legal limits. So which one did I like? The Xforce was my favourite. If you have any questions about any of these systems, put the questions down in the comments and I'll try and get the owners to come in and answer them for you. And that, my friends, is all I have to say about that. But don't worry, I'll have more videos for you.